The Pasig River is a 27 kilometers tidal estuary located in Metro Manila, Philippines.
It plays a critical role in the country's economy, culture, and history.
The Philippines generates about 61,000 metric tons of solid waste daily, with 12 to 24% being plastic. A staggering 35% of this waste leaks into the environment and oceans, with the Pasig River acting as major conduit for much of this pollution into Manila Bay.
The impact of this waste is far-reaching, affecting our water quality, aquatic ecosystems, and the health and livelihoods of communities along the riverbanks.
When ADB launched the Rejuvenating Pasig River for Livable Manila initiative, we were on a mission to find innovative solutions. We challenge innovators to develop a digital model that can help track and tackle plastic pollution at source.
So we answered a challenge that the Asia Development Bank had issued, and we proposed a lightweight, open source digital twin platform for understanding the flow of plastic through the Pasig River. So our first step was to access data, to turn that into a pipeline of data so that we could actually track the plastic through the river system and understand how it moves.
We integrated basically multiple data sets from various government sources. We also installed our own cameras, and we undertook some surveys that could really track and monitor waste. We integrated this data with the government data, weather and tidal models, satellite data, and using a machine learning software, we could analyze and predict the amount of behavior of waste across the river.
We worked with an open source platform called Terria, and that provided the background for the visualization. And what we did was we streamed data in from various data sources.
So we've worked with ADB as the client here, who's really key role in pushing the project forwards and helping drive the interfaces with the stakeholder agencies. And then as a team, we've been out and met the stakeholders and also some private sector organisations who are interested in using this digital twin moving forwards.
We tested the digital twin with over 40 government and community stakeholders to test the interface, engage them in the process, capture their feedback, validate our assumptions, and ensure that the tool is fit for our purpose.
The Pasig River Plastics Waste Digital Twin can offer real-time data on how plastics move through the river system, helping identify pollution hotspots and design targeted interventions.
I am so proud, and we are so proud to have helped shape this project that will have a lasting impact on our country, on our city for generations to come.
As we know, knowledge is power, therefore data is power. This is the value that the digital twin creates. This initiative is a significant step forward for our country in tackling plastic pollutions.
This initiative marks a major step forward, transforming the Pasig River into a model for plastic pollution mitigation through innovation, collaboration, and local empowerment.